Well, I started off at the age of 19 in a division called the Programme Planning Department, and we scheduled the programmes for Granada TV and ITV. So I did that at the beginning and sort of at the end of my career down in London. The environment is really important that we put ourselves in, and I'd ended up with this job that was so deeply depressing me. It was I was ending up in such a state that just walking into that building was making me ill, was making me poorly. We get so carried away doing life for everybody else.
Exactly.
The end result of everything that we do is a release. It's called a detox symptom. And it could be yawning, laughter, burping, the other end, sweating, cold, feeling a little bit dizzy. All of those are detox symptoms, but the yawn in particular became a real significant issue that I needed to look deeper into. During lockdown, I created a training school based on a new modality called TARC EFT. EFT is emotional freedom technique. Live for Energy Training College, and we do a lot of the science now as well behind the courses. So I have what's called a weirdoscope. Oh, I should have put it on actually.